Okay, a song from Alanis Morissette, the Hidden Song. I tried to see how can I sing without sounding so bad sometimes, but we'll see if it comes out good. I went to your house, walked up the stairs, opened the door with a ring in the bell, walked down the hall into your room, where I could smell you, and I shouldn't be here without permission, shouldn't be here. Would you forgive me, love, if I dance in your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I lay in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay all afternoon? I took off my clothes, put on your own, went through your drawers and I found your cologne, went to the den, found your CD, and I play your journey, and I shouldn't stay long. You might be home soon, shouldn't stay long. Would you forgive me, love, if I dance in your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I lay in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay all afternoon? I burn your incense, I ran a bed, I noticed a letter is set on your desk. It say, hello, love, I love you so, love. Give me a midnight. No, it wasn't my writing. I better go soon. It wasn't my writing. So forgive me, love, if I cry in your shower. So forgive me, love, if I solt in your bed. So forgive me, love, if I cry all afternoon. I need water. Let's see how it came up. I hope good.